Hi, I'm Jay McClellan, and I've been making a lot of Christmas ornaments. I make a set of ornaments every year to give away to family and friends, and I've been making these on my 3D printer. And in this video, I'll show you how I made them. My 3D printer is a Lulzbot TAS 4, which is an older model. I've had it for quite a few years, but I've printed a lot of stuff with it, and it's still working well. I start by making a 3D model of the ornament that I want to print. And I'll put a link in the video description to a location where you can download the model files that I created for the set of ornaments I made this year. I load the 3D model into a slicing program such as this one, which is Slicer. And the job of the slicing program is to take this three-dimensional shape and convert it into a series of layers, and from those to generate a series of instructions that drive the 3D printer. Here you can see the layers building up as the model would print. And I export the instructions for the printer to a G-code file, and that file contains the instructions that drive the movement of the printer as the model builds up. So I'm just sliding this slider up to show you how it would build up. And next I'll show you a time-lapse sequence of it actually printing on the printer. Once an ornament is done printing, I can just grab it and snap it right off the printer bed like that. And then I add one of these metal ornament caps, and that's the finished ornament, and it's ready to give away. Well, I've printed about 30 ornaments so far, and actually I've already given almost all of them away. I've just got these two left, so it's time to go print some more. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.